Hi everyone, I'm Ebony and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this look. For the past few days, I've been wearing a high puff, so I'm starting with stretched hair. Alright, so let's get started. This style is very simple to create. I'm sure a lot of people can relate to not having a lot of time to do their hair like me, so I'm always going for the quick hairstyles so I can look fabulous in a short amount of time. So the first step to achieving this look is parting out a section of hair in the front. It's essentially like parting out bangs. I decided to make a part so my hair is going to fall on the left side, but you can also choose to part your hair on the right side. After I've parted my hair, I'm just sectioning it off. I use the ponytail holder, but I recommend using a hair clip. Then I'm taking some styling product and I'm applying it to the back of my hair. I'll be making a bun. The technique I use to create my bun is to separate my hair into multiple sections and create one ponytail, and then add the remaining hair into the ponytail. By making my buns and ponytails this way, I find that it's less tension on my hair and I'm actually able to achieve a sleeker look. So here I'm making the first ponytail, and as you can see, I have some hair remaining up top. I'm going to just apply some styling gel to my perimeter and brush it down into that first ponytail that I created. After creating my ponytail, it's time to get some curls going in the front section. In order to achieve my curls, I'll be flat twisting my hair and bantu knotting the ends in order to achieve some additional definition. To start, I'm parting my hair. Then I'll be applying some styling product and detangling the section. Once I've completed detangling, it's time to flat twist. I'm flat twisting my hair in the direction I want my curls to lay. After I complete my flat twist, I'm making a bantu knot at the end of the twist. If you like this video so far, please hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos weekly. So now the twist is completed and I'm wrapping my hair around at the end to create a bantu knot. I just folded the hair back and I wrapped it around the twist and secured it. And that's what it looks like. I'm completing the same process on the rest of my hair. After completing my flat twist, I'm going back to the ponytail I made earlier to make a bun. I waited to make the bun because I wanted to get my twist installed so they had some additional time to set while I'm working on the rest of my hair. To make my bun, I'm creating 4 loose chunky twists. Then I'll be wrapping it around my hair and securing it with a ponytail holder. I'm really happy with this bun. It was simple to create and it's very full and it goes nicely with the look. After allowing the twist to set, it's time to unravel. I always apply a bit of oil to my hands while doing this because it helps to minimize frizz. Okay, so I've got the first twist out and look at the texture, y'all. I am very pleased with the results. So now I'm just going to continue to take down my hair. Here are the final results. I really enjoyed creating this style and I'm very pleased with the results. It's the perfect alternative to a twist out if you don't have a lot of time but you still want to rock some curls. This is also a great look for your holiday parties or any special occasion. So if you like this style and you think you may try it yourself, please let me know down in the comment section below. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do post weekly videos. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.